Yo, you know what it is. Exploring with Kenny. Back at it again with another one. I'm back at Lindenwood. I don't have my nephew with me this time, so I'll be doing it all alone. Yeah. Wanted to see, I know in the first one it was kind of cold out, so it kind of sucked. So we're gonna do it when it's a little hotter. I looked at the weather. It's 91 out. And there's a few people that looks like there's in here, so I'm gonna keep the camera off them. But yeah, my little nephew is not with me. Here's a 360 view, because you know, make sure you know I'm not lying. But he's not with me. He was tired, so I guess he didn't want to go. But if you guys do remember this, if you have been with me since day one, you remember this. There's a bunch of different ways. There's this way, there's that way, and there's this way. We're gonna go this way. Like I said, if you guys watched my first video ever, this is the one that we did. But like I said, it was colder, so now it's warmer. Trying to be quiet, because you know, let you guys do some ASMR. But yeah, the first time that we came here, it was wet, and it was, I don't remember if it was raining, but I definitely know it was cold. We were wearing coats in that video, but yeah. Wanted to come give you guys a video. You can go this way, or you can go this way, or this way. We're gonna go this way. And like we said, there's a lot of different ways that you can go on this trail. I hear knocking, but I don't know what it's from. I don't know if there's like a construction site nearby or what. You can go up that way. We're just gonna keep going this way. So yeah, this is the first video that I've done alone. So if I'm not really talking that much, I'm sorry, because I don't really have nobody to talk to. Except for myself and you guys. Whew, it is hot. That's for sure. So definitely a beautiful day out. Got a little bridge here. It's drier than the Sahara Desert out here. That tree scared me. Ooh. I don't know what that was. Something was moving. I keep hearing it, but I don't know where it went. It's definitely a vibe I'm feeling. I love this kind of stuff. Unfortunately, didn't have my nephew, but I was like, I'll do a video for you guys. Sorry, my finger was in the way. Oh, this got thorns in them. I know there's a street right over there. So if it's loud, I am sorry. There's a little cardinal. I don't know if you guys seen that on camera. Hopefully you did. But yeah, it looks a lot better when it's not so cold out. Definitely a lot more plants and animals. Thought I heard something. There's probably somebody walking. Like I said, there is people on this trail, so if I see somebody, I'm not gonna point my camera at them. All right, guys. Well, this heads back out to the beginning. So, actually, there was another trail. So, before I end it, I'll give you guys a little bit of more action. Here's another one. We'll do this trail too. There's somebody up there working. Park recreation probably. we'll go ahead and go this way. It is very hot out, so if you hear me breathing hard, I'm sorry, it's hot. Let's go over here. Go ahead and do this. I'm like easily the one to get lost on a trail, so we'll make our way back eventually, but I like to get lost. Yeah, that I looked down and I thought the video was a little bit longer than 9 minutes. I looked down and I was like, well, I'll just do the other part of the path since it's only 9 minutes, but I thought it was longer than that. So, but I'll give you guys a video. I like recording, and I want to give you guys as much content as I can, so I'm trying to keep my videos a little long. But I think we did say like 2 or 3 videos ago that we were going to come back to Lindenwood, and I made my way back, but fortunately I'm here alone, so it's just me and you guys. That's cool. I don't think that was there last time. That blue writing, I don't think that was there. Listen, yeah, I definitely don't think that was there last time. You guys hear the plane? The sun between the trees. I love it. I'm pretty close to a airport expressway, so that's why you guys hear all the 2 planes since I've been in here. I think there was one at the beginning, and then there was one just now. Oh, like a grave site. Just how it is looks like a grave site. That's weird. I never noticed that last time we were here. So that's creepy. Here goes another bridge. Here comes a person, so I'm just gonna go with it. How you doing? I know I said I wasn't gonna record people, but oh well. It is what it is. It is definitely dried up out here. It's definitely hot. That's how far it is. Well, how long the bridge is, I guess you could say. There's a little lake or pond, whatever you want to call it up here. I remember this part. Yeah, this is beautiful. And then if I remember correctly, there was like a little fort right there. As you can see, it's still there. Yeah, we thought this was neat the first time we seen it. I mean, it's still neat. But yeah, this thing never gets old. It's pretty cool. Go ahead and go this way. I don't know if they were gonna start like a new one or what they were gonna do, but started gathering more sticks. I don't remember if I said the temperature, but before I got out of my car and I started walking, it said 91 degrees. So I don't know if it's hotter now, but definitely sweating. You can go that way or this way. We're gonna head back this way. I will definitely be back for a part 2 and probably a part 3. Depends, but I'll definitely be back because I'm not gonna finish it all today. But I wanted to give you guys at least something to watch. I love it. I love it, I love it. Cutting down more trees. See, I don't know if this was here last time or not, because it's been a minute since I've been back. been at least a couple months. So I don't remember if that was there or not. It's definitely quiet out here. Peaceful. It's just that when you're not with two people, I guess you hear more things than you do normally when you're not really paying attention. But when you're paying attention, you hear things and you're like, I have no idea what that was, and I have no idea if that caught that on camera. Here's a big mud pit up here, looks like. We're gonna see if we can go around, which it looks like we can. Path right here. It is definitely a hot one. Alright guys, well this takes us out to the beginning. So like I said, I will be out with another part of this video. So that is it from me. Peace.